Look at this, guys. Guys, are you very quickly? I want to show you the action, what you want to see. This is the new welder. This is the AWithZ UK3 spot welder. I already did few testing here, but I'm gonna show you live about the welder. The welder pretty much, look at this. It's very similar as the UKF10 welder, but this welder is not based in capacitor. This is a battery welder. Pretty much you connect actually USB-C to keep it charged, but right now it's on batteries. I keep this connected because I'm using heavy power from the welder. So let me show you very quickly the menu. It's very nice, very nice. The welder have automatic mode. You can change that to manual mode. Why manual? Let me show you something very quickly. I'm not gonna do full unboxing, but look at what is coming with the welder. All this. It coming with a nickel, probably is nickel steel. It came with the extra tips. Very quickly, USB cable, and just a full size pedal. So if you want to use, I don't use the pedal. I like automatic mode. So to be, let me take out the cable. So it came with these nice cables. You can remove the cables, obviously. It's very portable, this welder. Manual pressing here, you can. That's pretty cool. So let's go and very quickly here. Again, manual mode, I like automatic, okay? One click. You can use the preheat all the way to number 5. I tested in 2, it's working great. The pause, that's how many milliseconds between welds. I like using in number 2, but you can go, I believe, all the way to 20. So number 2, it works excellent for me. Gears, all the way to 100, from 1 to 100. I'm gonna be testing first in 85. I'm going straight to heavy stuff because obviously we know if we can do heavy stuff, you can do light stuff. The timing 1.8, I like normally use a 1.3, but for the sake of this, I'm gonna use 1.8. And this is my surprising part. You can shoot once or twice. For cheap, I mean inexpensive welders, this is an awesome feature right now. Okay, let's go to the action. I mean, to see what capable is to do this welder. Obviously in the price range is unbelievable. This welder is gonna be in the store. Actually, it is in the store already. It's in stock for $69, buddy. It's $69.99, $70. Here I already tested welding. This is oh my god, pure nickel 0.2, and I'm gonna demonstrate. I have another piece here, 0.2, and it make it. Look at this, guys. You cannot take this out. Look at this, look at this. I just showing you how strong it went perfectly. In the other battery, I went with pure, this is copper 0.1 with nickel plated from the other side like this. I'm gonna do it now. I tested the nickel, the pure nickel, which is this one, 0.2 millimeters pure nickel. Guys, just trust me, that I don't lie with the, I don't want to make a long video demonstrating this is nickel or the thickness is 0.2. I use it in 85% of the power. Look at this, guys. Let me show you. With the current settings, only once. I'm not gonna put more than that. Look at this, pure nickel 0.2. Look at that, man. Excellent. It leaves the holes so it weld perfectly. Look at that, how strong it weld. The pure, the nickel sandwich. Let's do it again. Now for this one, I crank it. I probably can do it in 80 gear, but I wanna give the best chances to the welder, so I'm going to 100 gear. 100, okay? I'm still with the battery, if you notice. I'm not using the USB cable. Now, let's go. Guys, you know how difficult is welding copper nickel sandwich. This one, yeah, this one is 0.1 with 0.1 nickel plated steel. So that's the best way to weld copper nickel sandwich. And we're gonna be testing here copper nickel sandwich with this little welder. Look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna do one more between here and here. That's it. Guys, $69 welder. Are you kidding me? And you can do copper. Look at how nice look those welds. Very deep. And we're gonna check. Guys, are you kidding me? Look at this. Tell me that's not a perfect weld. Are you kidding me? $69 welder. I'm really surprised with this welder. I love it. I mean, of course, you're not gonna, hey guys, you're not gonna do a huge bike with this or stuff like that. This is excellent if you want to do power tools. That is not too many welds that you have to do. Remember, it's a battery what they have inside, probably a lipo battery. I mean, it's doing it. It's doing the job. But look at this. I mean, are you kidding me? 0.1. I haven't tested with. Oh, this one is pure nickel. 0.3. Look at how thick is that nickel. I'm gonna see if I haven't tested, but I want to see the limit. Same settings. Let's see if we can do this one. 0.3 pure nickel. That's very tough to do for many welders. Let's see if this welder can do it. All right, that's a good sign. The battery probably is going down. No, it's still full. It's still full. I'm using 100% of the battery power. I mean, of the welder power. Let's see how goes this. This is pure. It's very difficult to weld. Guys, look at this. Very strong. Wow, 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 wow. Actually, I just destroyed this cell. Look at how the cell released the liquid. Guys, it passed even the can of the cell. Are you kidding me? Yeah, I just destroyed this cell. Look at that. I feel the noise. It's past the can of the cell. Are you kidding me? That strong is this welder? So we have to put it with less power welding, 0.3. Look at this. Guys, a $69 welder, and you just witnessed this. It punched a hole in the cell. So this is a serious welder. I mean, especially for the price, I'm really surprised. Guys, you got it there. I'm not gonna say anything else. You have the truth. I'm not blind. I love it. I love it. By the way, it came with the sandpaper to clean the tips. And I'm very happy that the tips are pretty strong. It doesn't suffer anything. Look at this, even welding heavy stuff. So they are gonna last. Anyway, I'm gonna try to have these tips available as well. Yep, man, you got it there. If anybody is interested, it's in the store, $69, and you can use, if you wanted in manual mode. I like automatic, as I mentioned. It have features than big welders they have. Well, you see, using it at 100%, and it still have the full battery. So you got it. Have a good one.